Hey Visionary Designs family! Summer is here, and today we're going to show you how to instantly add rustic charm to your home. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, kitchen, or even your outdoor spaces, we've got some exciting and easy tips that will transform your home into a cozy summer retreat. You won't believe how simple these changes can be, yet how big an impact they will have. Let's get started. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join our community for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite rustic decor idea and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive in. So, rustic charm is all about embracing natural materials and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Think wood, stone, and earthy colors. These materials bring a touch of nature indoors and create a timeless, cozy environment, which is perfect for summer. Have you ever felt how the warmth of natural materials can completely change the vibe of a room? Stick around, and we'll show you how to achieve this in every part of your home. Let's start with the living room. You can instantly refresh your space by adding slip covers to your sofa and chairs in natural linen or light fabrics. This not only lightens up the room, but also adds a rustic touch. Throw pillows in earthy tones and soft textures like cotton and wool can really enhance that cozy feel. Have you considered how a few new pillows might change the look of your living room? We'll show you how these small changes can make a big impact. For some quick decorative elements, place wicker baskets, wooden trays, and fresh flowers in mason jars on your coffee table. Hanging a rustic mirror or vintage prints on the walls adds character and charm. And don't forget the lighting. Use string lights or lanterns to create a warm, ambient glow. Soft, warm lighting enhances the rustic atmosphere and makes the space feel more inviting. Imagine sitting in your living room with these new touches. It's like bringing a bit of nature inside, making it feel both fresh and timeless. These small changes can have a big impact, transforming your space into a cozy retreat. Moving on to the kitchen. Displaying fresh herbs in rustic pots on your countertops or windowsill can make a big difference. Wooden crates or bowls for storing fresh summer produce not only look great, but also bring the freshness of summer indoors, making your kitchen feel vibrant and alive. Imagine walking into your kitchen and being greeted by the fresh scents of basil, mint, or rosemary. It's like a mini garden inside your home. Setting your table with natural linen placemats, wooden serving boards, and mason jar glasses is another easy way to add rustic charm. A simple centerpiece like a vase of wildflowers can really tie everything together. These elements are quick to set up and instantly transform your dining area into a rustic summer retreat. Ever wondered how a few simple changes can create a completely new dining experience? We'll show you how. Think about the meals you'll enjoy here, surrounded by the natural beauty and simple elegance of rustic decor. It's not just about how it looks, it's about how it makes you feel, creating a warm and inviting space for family and friends. Now, let's talk about the dining room. Setting up an outdoor dining area with a rustic wooden table and mismatched chairs can create a festive and enjoyable atmosphere with minimal effort. Use colourful tableware and fresh flower centerpieces for a vibrant summer look. Do you enjoy dining outdoors when the weather is nice? Let's explore some ideas to make your outdoor dining space truly special. Creating a picnic-style dining setup with a large blanket, cushions, and a rustic picnic basket filled with summer treats is another great idea. This casual setup is ideal for summer gatherings, offering a relaxed and fun way to enjoy meals with family and friends. Picture yourself enjoying a sunny afternoon picnic with loved ones, making memories that last a lifetime. These simple yet effective changes can transform your dining area into a rustic haven, perfect for enjoying the summer months. It's all about creating a space where you can relax, unwind, and savor the simple pleasures of life. Let's talk about the bedroom. Switching to lightweight, breathable bedding, like cotton or linen, is perfect for summer. Choose soft, neutral colors with subtle patterns for a fresh, rustic look. Lightweight bedding keeps you cool and comfortable throughout the night, while adding a rustic touch. Have you ever tried switching to lighter bedding for the summer months? You'll see how it can enhance both comfort and style. Adding a wicker headboard, wooden bedside tables, and fresh flowers in a glass vase can also bring nature indoors and create a calming, rustic retreat for the summer. These natural elements not only enhance the rustic feel, but also make your bedroom feel like a serene escape. And don't forget the lighting. Use rustic lamps on the nightstands to provide warm lighting. Fresh flowers and natural light create a bright and airy feel, enhancing the summer vibe. Imagine ending your day in a bedroom that feels like a peaceful retreat. The combination of natural materials and soothing colors creates a tranquil environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. For the bathroom, incorporating elements like seashells, driftwood, and natural stone accessories can bring a touch of the beach indoors. Light, airy curtains also add to the fresh look. These quick additions make your bathroom feel like a summer retreat. Adding scented candles with summer fragrances like lavender or citrus can create a relaxing atmosphere. Fresh scents instantly enhance the summer ambiance, making your bathroom feel like a spa. Picture yourself soaking in a tub surrounded by the soothing scents and natural elements. It's a perfect way to relax and rejuvenate. Transforming your bathroom into a rustic retreat doesn't require a complete overhaul. Small touches and thoughtful details can make a significant difference, creating a space where you can truly unwind. Finally, let's talk about the veranda. Arrange comfortable seating with wicker furniture and colourful cushions. Add a rustic wooden coffee table for a cozy gathering spot. Wicker furniture and light fabrics make the space feel open and breezy, perfect for summer relaxation. Do you have a favourite piece of outdoor furniture that you love? You might find inspiration for even more pieces that fit perfectly. Decorate with hanging lanterns, potted plants, and a mix of vintage and rustic accessories. Use string lights to create a warm, inviting ambiance. Outdoor lighting and decor quickly transform your veranda into a cozy and inviting retreat, ideal for summer evenings. Imagine spending warm summer nights on your veranda, surrounded by the soft glow of lanterns and string lights. It's a magical space for relaxing and enjoying the beauty of the season. And that's how you can instantly add rustic charm to your home and create a relaxing summer retreat. With these quick and easy tips, your living spaces will be transformed into cozy and inviting havens perfect for the summer. Before you go, don't forget to explore our channel for more creative ideas and inspiration. We've got a range of videos on different design styles, DIY projects, and home improvement tips that you'll love. There's always something new to discover. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments how you plan to incorporate these rustic summer decor ideas into your home. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.